GCE O Level 2019 Mathematics Paper 2 Part B, question number 8. This question is based on the lesson constructions. This is the question. In this question, you can use the straight edge, that is the ruler, and the pair of compasses only. Remember, you can't use the protractor for constructing angles. Let's start drawing. In this type of a question, what you have to do first is draw a rough sketch with the given information. Now we will draw the sketch. Construct a straight line segment AC of length 6 centimeters. Okay, this is AC 6 centimeters, and construct the line AB such that CAB equals 60. So you have to construct an angle 60 degrees. CAB angle 60 degrees. The AB length is not given, so you can mark B anywhere on this line. Construct the angle bisector of CAB. CAB, this is the angle. You have to construct the angle bisector. It should be like this. Next part, construct the circle that has its center O on the above constructed angle bisector. That means the center O has to lie on this line and touches AC at C. That circle touches AC at C. You know, then C is the point of contact. AC is the tangent to the circle and OC is the radius. Okay, I will mark OC here, O here, center O. Therefore, according to the tangent properties, the tangent is, this is the tangent AC, is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. OC is the radius. See, it is perpendicular, that means this angle is 90 degrees. Since the center O lies on the angle bisector, that means this line, circle has to touch this AB line also. Therefore, circle should be like this. Next part of the question. Produce the line AO such that it meets the circle at D. You have to produce this AO line that meets the circle at D. That means this D should be here. Construct the tangent to the circle at D. You have to construct a tangent to the circle at D and mark the point of intersection of this tangent and AC produced as P. That means if you produced AC line, it should be made at point P. This should be point P. This is the rough sketch. Now we will draw the diagram to the exact measurement. Draw the line segment AC. Take 6 cm length to the compass. And mark 6 cm length on this line. This is AC. Centimeters, and then 60-degree angle. Keep the compass at point A and mark small arc, and without changing the length you have to draw another arc here. And now connect this intersecting point with point A. You can mark B here. Then angle bisector of CAB angle. Keep the compass here and draw small arc, and keep the compass here and draw another arc. Now connect this intersecting point with point A. Now you have to draw the 90-degree perpendicular line at point C. Keep the compass at point C and draw 2 small arcs either side. Change the length and keep the compass here. Keep the compass here and draw another small arc. And now connect this intersection with C. This is center O. This angle is 60 degrees. This is 90 degrees. OC is the radius, and take the OC length and draw the circle like this. Next you have to produce this AO line to meet the circle at D. This is point D, and you have to draw the perpendicular line at point D. Draw 2 small arcs either side and change the length. Keep the compass here and draw small arcs like this. Then if you produce AC line, meets this tangent at point P. This is also 90 degrees. The last part of the question, give reasons why DPC equals AOC. DPC equals AOC. These two angles. You know ODPC is a quadrilateral and OCP and ODP angles are equals to 90 degrees. We will write like this. OCP angle equals to ODP angle equals to 90 degrees. According to the cyclic quadrilateral theorem, if the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, that means these two angles, the quadrilateral is cyclic. OCP equals ODP equals 90 degrees. Therefore, OCPD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, this DPC angle is equal to AOC. What is the reason? The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral that is this angle AOC, exterior angle, is equal to the interior opposite angle. This is the exterior angle, this is the interior opposite angle. Therefore, this DPC angle equals to AOC angle. This is the answer for question number 8. Thanks for watching and I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please share, like it and subscribe my channel. For more tutorials, I'll see you in the next video.